my mother's an integrative medicine doctor, and so she's very into holistic health. And so I naturally have been raised to always be thinking about what's going into my body, like whether it's holistic, organic, ranging from food to cosmetics. And so I had an injury when I was about 11 years old. I was playing manhunt with my cousins, and I fell right into a pile of rocks in pitch black of night. All these front four teeth were ruined. I grew up with this, unfortunately, and so like my teeth were rotting, and they were noticeably browner than the others. So it was kind of sad. From about the age of 11 to 24, I grew up talking like this, like laughing, laughing like this, and no man, like looking away. And so that really can shape your character and the way you interact socially with other people. But Dr. Lerner he did ask, how does this make you feel? And not to be overly sentimental, but it was nice. It was like, wait, he's asking me how I feel. Terrible. I would like to be able to talk and smile and be a normal person. I went to other dentists, and they're like, all right, what we need to do is this, that, and the other thing, and we don't really care what you want it to look like. We're just going to do it our way. And so we talked about that. He then analyzed the mouth. I had multiple cleanings, and then it went through like a long multiple month process of using temporaries. They would fall out. I'd come right back in, and over again, the staff was extremely accommodating. They all understood that I had certain things I wanted done, and I just basically felt like they were with me every step of the way. They cared about how I felt about what they looked like, and they were willing to do whatever it takes for the infection to go away and to make sure that I felt good internally, not just externally. Wow, I no longer have to worry about eating food, drinking water, flossing, brushing. So everything's become, I guess, easier and more relaxing. I saw my new teeth. It took like a year to do all the operations, and it was honestly one of the most important days of my life to say, wow, I'm not ashamed of looking in the mirror right now. I'm not hating what I see. I feel comfortable talking to other people. And since then, in my personal life, I'm seeing I'm more outgoing. I'm more willing to put myself out there. I've started singing in public. That's something I was practicing for a very long time. And it's hard to ignore when you get dental work done. It does change the way you behave in society and the way you dress and talk. So I was very grateful. He shook my hand, gave me a nice smile. He goes, all right, that's it. And I almost cried. And we had a connection, or at least I think we did. We had a connection, and he knew how much it meant to me. And I hugged Maria, who works with him as well. And I think the whole staff could tell, because I'd been coming in and out of the office for over a year. And it was done. This portion of the process was done. And you could just see the relief on my face. And everyone was genuinely happy for me, and that meant a lot. And yeah, no, I legit almost cried when it was over.